Hello everyone, this is the fastest tutorial in the world. I will show you tips and tricks how I made almost $1,000 in just 28 days with affiliate marketing. This is the income I earned for 28 days from AliExpress affiliate marketing. The question is how? Let's start. The first step is to look for the most sought-after products in the target country. The tool I use is Google Trends, and this website also helps. The next step is to open the product portal from affiliate marketing and look for suitable products. Then the next step is to generate a link. This step is very practical and fast, only requiring a fraction of a second. The next step is through sharing links. The social media I use are Instagram and Facebook. These two platforms are the most used applications. Out there are lots of tutorials on how to share links, but not online. When I share it with all of you. The format I use is short video or reel. Short videos can cover more videos compared to long videos. Have you understood up to this point? It's time for you to execute, and good luck.